subscribe button. Make sure to hit the like button and the notification bell. Make sure to go follow us at TikTok at BG_twins. So let's get on with it. One more thing, we have a special shout out for our friend about her YouTube channel. Her YouTube channel's name is Strawberry Smoothie. Go check her out, go subscribe, give her some love, and yeah, just go subscribe. And yeah, just go check her out. So, yeah, how does this work? Well, Giselle, we have slime ingredients right in front of us, as you can see. And so, we're going to basically make slime, and we're going to have to spin first. We're going to spin for 30 seconds, and you have 30 seconds to make the slime. And if you don't make slime in 30 seconds, then you have to spin again for 30 seconds. And you need to keep spinning until, well, you're going to keep doing 30 seconds until you're finished making your slime. If you don't understand, you just no. Once you watch the video. Get into it. So yeah, we have a watch right here. And we're going to try it. So we're super excited. That's why we're super hyper right now. Okay. Yes. Oh, and one more thing. Go check our last video that we did. We just did like an hour ago. Go check out that video. If you haven't watched it yet. So, okay, so who wants to go first? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I can't speak. Does that mean I spin? Yeah, she has to spin first. Okay, so our bowl's gonna be right here. Should we like move these aside? Like my ingredients? No, move them up. Okay, no wait, what? Wait, no, move them aside. This. I'm scared. Okay, 30 seconds is not that bad. Okay, let's do this. So I need to be careful if she runs into me or like hits me or something. So we stop barking. Okay, so are you ready? We're gonna start spinning. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, I'm getting dizzy. No, you're going. Oh, whoa. Don't touch anything. Don't touch anything. Look at the time. 30 seconds. Grace, I'm already feeling dizzy. Grace, I'm scared. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Why didn't we decide to do this again? Come on, spin! Wrong way! Stop it, not my way. Okay. Keep spinning! What's happening? Okay, stop! Make slime. Come on, what's wrong with you? Stop! You're gonna feel the same, trust me. Wait, I feel so good. That's pink. I don't care. I did anchor. She wanted to be red, but she did pink. Fine, let me add more. That's pink! I don't want any more. No, this is red. She's weird. Oh, Grace, trust me, you're gonna... Okay, time to spin again! Get up, Grace. Come on, go fast. Come on, let's do it. Spin! You're not even spinning. Keep going there. Grace, you're gonna feel... You're gonna take that back because you're gonna be the same as me. But no, I'm gonna spin that fast. Spin! Come on. Don't grab anything. Grace, you're gonna feel so... How much? Okay, now go! Come on, come on. I can't. Oh. 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 She's literally knocking me over. Okay, but you got it. Come on. sweating. Right. I'm sorry.
Keep going.
Don't close your eyes. She's giving herself.
Go again.
I can't. I just hold still. Ugh. Okay, I'm just gonna need with the camera. Come on, come on. Okay. Guys, if you try this, you're gonna feel super dizzy. Come on. Are you finished with your slime? Are you finished?
Yeah.
She's finished. Okay. It's been 30 seconds. Okay, you did pretty good. I'm legit sweaty. Wait, let me see. I need to see how good it is. At one point, you did overactivate it. She did add too much borax. Breeze, trust me, you're good.
I'm excited, actually.
Breeze, you shouldn't. I kind of feel like throwing up.
You feel?
Well, it feels like your world is shaky.
Okay, but anyways, time for my turn. We're super excited. Okay. You ready?
Guys, it's Breeze's turn, and I make this. It's not that bad. With slime, I guess.
Okay.
So, Breeze, trust me, you are not gonna be excited.
Start.
Breeze, it actually kind of hurts your head. Okay, just
What
let's
do you
begin.
mean?
Okay, you'll see. Okay, timer starts. Wait, where's the timer start button? Is it this one?
Yeah, but no, this one.
Oh, okay. Ready, set, and go. Where's the pause button? The top one? The top one? Speak to me!
No.
The top one. Stop screaming. The top one! We have a plan. Breathe!
Oh my goodness.
Breathe the top one.
Like when I'm not
Top one or what? Breathe.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, that was it.
Oh my goodness. What's the time?
Oh, you went overtime. I'm sorry. What's wrong with you?
Oh no, when I'm not moving, that happens. Oh my goodness.
It looks like you were dying or something.
Okay, that makes.
Okay, stop. Stop.
Okay, no.
Go slow. Because apparently you can't.
What hurts?
You're crazy. Can you see how dramatically she would fall?
When I'm not moving, I'm literally in spinning by myself.
Okay, ready, set, and... Wait, no, not stop yet. Okay, stop.
Whoa!
Breathe. Breathe. Stop.
Okay.
That was a lot.
It's fine, it's fine, I'm fine. I'm fine. I literally feel dead right now. Okay, elevator.
Okay, stop. You're literally going crazy.
What are you doing?
I'm playing with my slime. Okay. You're in 15 seconds. Look at that, guys. Are you even orange? Bro. Okay, stop. eating with your hands. Oh, right here. $27, $28, $20, $30. Stop. Okay. Is it good?
Don't touch it.
Oh, breezy.
Oh, whoa. For some reason I feel like the table is like going up or something.
Told you.
And literally when I stop, it's still moving.
Okay, stop.
Okay, there. Well. I feel like throwing that stuff in there.
Okay, you almost finished? Because you went all the time. And you only have 30 seconds though. Okay, is that your finished slime? You can still add something. But really quickly. 20 seconds. Do it quick. Just pick one. 24. And stop.
Finished.
Is it good?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
I feel like throwing up.
I'm hot.
Look at my slime. It looks pretty. How about your slime? Can I feel it? Is it stretchy? Like really
Wait, I
stretchy?
feel like it still needs a little bit
No,
more.
no, I want to feel it.
This is like a stretch.
Ooh. This is really stretchy. I like it. No, it's actually not sticky to me at all. I like it. This one, on the other hand, is a little like hard a bit.
My butt hurts.
Too bad.
Can you find the cushion somewhere?
Okay, are we finished? Because I feel like we're dead.
Okay, guys, so that was quite a journey. I don't slime at least. My head hurts. But it was funny to see you like fall. No, it's not weird. You were right. But anyways, we did make slime. I like my slime. But we like spin in the beginning, I didn't feel like throwing up. At the beginning, I was just dizzy. But then at the end, I started throwing up. Oh, not throwing up, but I started like feeling weird. No, just kidding. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. This was kind of wild, but yeah. But if you like it, you can hit that like button. And don't forget before you end this video, don't forget to press that subscribe button and hit that like button and the notification bell. And we can go check our friend's YouTube channel. Strawberry Smoothie. And yeah, go subscribe to her and give her some love. And check out her TikTok at BG_Twins. So yeah, BG Twins out. Bye. Bye. Peace. Peace.